So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you run this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you want to find the exe file of the program that you're having a problem with. So you want to head over to search and type in your program name. For example, I'm going to type in Google Chrome. Now you want to right click on it, you want to right click on your application and then click on open file location. And now you want to right click on your application again and then click on open file location again. You now want to find the exe file. So for me it's going to be this right here. So what you can do is you want to click on view and then click on show and then click on file name extensions. It should now be showing you the exe file right here. So for me it's going to be chrome.exe with a picture of Google Chrome. That's how I know it's the correct one. In your case it should be seeing the application name .exe and then the picture of your application. Now once you find that, you want to right click on it and then click on properties. And now once you run this, you want to click on the compatibility tab. Now you want to select run this program in compatibility mode. And now under it you want to select disable full screen optimizations. You want to tick both these boxes right here and then click on OK. And now the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then you just want to restore your computer and then the problem should be fixed.